Hello folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. I've got 2008 Chevy Impala, and today I'm going to show you the location of the EVAP or the EVAP emission vent solenoid control valve. Some people call it vapor canister purge solenoid, and if you are trying to buy that part, most likely you're gonna find it under vapor canister purge solenoid. When you go to the auto parts store, you're probably gonna ask for that vapor canister purge solenoid to get the right part. The location of this part is, I need my flashlight. First thing you need to do is twist this counterclockwise. Remove this. Remove this cover. And by the way, this is on a 3.5 liter engine, and it's right there. This harness goes into that solenoid, and this hose on the top of it, and it's being held with one appears to be size 10 bolt here. The replacement part is gonna look like this here. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching.